Here's an example of the care and attention that Farnell Element14 lavish upon their products. Here we have a proper integrity anti-static box containing two black RCA chassis sockets, which really don't need to be in an anti-static box. However, they have your proper anti-static foam, anti-ESD foam, and then the chassis sockets are inset in the foam in such a way that reminds me almost of a ring at a jeweller's. Really amazing. And there they are, perfect in every detail. Here we have the unboxing of an Atmega 328P microcontroller, 5 of. They got me. They put the label the wrong way around for the box. More anti-static foam. So there you have them. 5 Atmega 328 microcontrollers. We have a 1734530 connector D-sub. 2 of. I got another one because I thought I was going to mess up the first one. There it is. Another bag contains an MC32596 USB 2.0 Type B socket. 5 of, actually. And there they are. In this bag we have 10 22PF ceramic capacitors. I don't know if it's necessary to have a ceramic capacitor in an anti-static bag, but again, Farnell's care and attention is quite exemplary. And if you can see the capacitors against this old printout. And in this bag we have a 6-pin mini DIN socket, hopefully suitable for a PS2 keyboard. Yes. Good. No, it's not a PS2 keyboard, is it? Yes, it is. Yes, it's. I'll get there in the end. Brain's a bit slow today, as usual. And then the final anti-static bag, which was also held with security tape. We have. What is that? What does it say? DILB 28P 223 TLF dip socket, 28 position, 2.54mm. I thought I'd only got 5 of those, but there are 10 there. Guess I figured I needed a few spare. Only need one.